Alright, I want to break it down and everything so everybody knows exactly why I took this buy. So, on the 4 hour, on the daily, we're on the daily chart right now. Obviously, we see this whole buy right here. So now I'm going to go down to my 4 hour. Let me zoom in. I'm going to go down to my 4 hour, and obviously I see some support right here. Why do you see some support? Because me and you see the candle wicks shooting down and coming up and sitting right here, shooting down, coming up, sitting right here, shooting down, coming up and sitting right here. So support, what are we calling a support? It's like a floor. Support, floor, call it what you want, support. So now I'm gonna come down to the 30-minute. I already know we're in buys. We're in buys for the 4 hour, we're in buys for the daily. So now that you saw that support on the 4 hour, you saw it break down here, shoot back up, and break through. Once it broke through, you should have already knew we were in buys when you see a buy right here and a buy right here. It's not always going to be perfect, but when it came back up here, you should have known we were already in buys. That'll be it for today. Had to make it quick because I got to start cooking dinner. I hope you learned everything from my charts. I hope y'all end up making money just like me. Hold on, and we're gonna close this out, but I gotta wait. I just gotta wait.
It's a money fan.
When you see a floor right here, this means support. Basically, support means like when this candlestick bounces right here and it stops right here, that means there's some support right there. Now when it comes all the way back down, that solidifies that's support. So that means anytime it comes right here, we know that this is a floor. So let's call it a floor and a roof. So this is a floor, and then a roof would be right here. So boom, boom. This would be a roof because look, the sales come down right here, this comes down right here. So floor, ceiling. So if this is the floor, when you buy, it goes up. When you sell, it goes down. So since you see this is the floor, what would you do? Buy. It's okay. This is currently the trade that I'm in. Hold on, let me open my trade account again. I was waiting for my laptop to open back up because as y'all see, look, it's on 6%. So I'm waiting for that, but this is the trade, y'all. Follow the trade. And look, I just did this over here on the paperwork for y'all. For the buy, basically, here's my support. You see that support? And then 2 bounces. 1, 2, 3. Support, bounces. Support, 1, 2, support. Support, bounces. Support, 2 bounces. It's that simple, y'all. It's that simple. This isn't important at all, but I like being transparent. This is how much I pay for rent. Y'all know, what is it, the 2nd? So I'm late. So I'm gonna take this money that I made with the market. Matter of fact, let me close this 3K out. Oh, come on now, don't start this. Oh, it's 4 o'clock. Oh my goodness. Alright, so I have to sit in this trade until it hits 5 o'clock, and then I'll be able to close out my trade. But that is what's gonna pay for my rent. Let me make sure I don't have my apartment out here posted, but this is how I take advantage of the market. So let's say it's flat right here. When the uptrend is going up like this, and then you see when it's hitting the top, it's going down like that. I wait for it to break the structure, come down, and it usually probably comes down like this, but at these points right here is where I'm gonna put in a buy, and it should shoot up just like this. This is so simple right here. Wait for it to break right there, wait for it to come down. This will be the support, take off. Now it might come back down, and it can, but I'm still taking that buy every time. And that's what I'm trying to teach everybody, to make some money so they can easily make money in the Forex market.